Jai Hind everyone. Today, with the cadets of 19 UP Girls Battalion NCC Lucknow and the students of Navya Kanya Mahavidyalaya Rajendra Nagar Lucknow are here with a video blog on World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day occurs on December 1 and was established by World Health Organization in 1988 to facilitate the exchange of information about AIDS among national and international organizations, local governments and national governments and individuals. To tell you more about this topic, we have a cadet.
Every year, December 1st is observed as World AIDS Day since 1988. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is caused by a virus named HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. The virus attacks the immune system of the patient and reduces its body's resistance to the other diseases. This year, Equalize has been decided the theme for World AIDS Day. Equalize means people should work together to eliminate injustice and implanting to fight and AIDS. The awareness is spread by the campaigns of World AIDS Day. Around 1 million people are died because of AIDS. With proper care and medicine, the HIV positive people can also live a happily life without reaching its final stage.
दुनिया भर में लोगों को एचआईवी संक्रमण के प्रति जागरूक करने के लिए प्रत्येक वर्ष 1 दिसंबर को विश्व एड्स दिवस यानी वर्ल्ड एड्स डे मनाया जाता है। डब्ल्यूएचओ ने सर्वप्रथम विश्व एड्स दिवस को वैश्विक स्तर पर मनाने की शुरुआत साल अगस्त 1987 में की थी। शुरुआती दौर में बोला ये जाता था कि एड्स जैसी बीमारी सिर्फ बच्चों और युवाओं में ही देखी जाती है, जबकि एचआईवी संक्रमण किसी भी उम्र के व्यक्ति को हो सकता है। इसके बाद साल 1996 में संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने इसे वैश्विक स्तर पर इसका प्रचार और प्रसार का काम संभालते हुए 1997 में रोकथाम और शिक्षा पर काफी काम करना शुरू किया। एचआईवी एक प्रकार का जानलेवा इन्फेक्शन से होने वाली एक बीमारी है। इसे मेडिकल की भाषा में ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडिफिशियंसी वायरस यानी एचआईवी, वहीं इसे आम बोलचाल की भाषा में एड्स यानी एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनोडिफिशियंसी सिंड्रोम के नाम से जाना जाता है। इसमें जानलेवा इन्फेक्शंस व्यक्ति के शरीर में प्रवेश करके व्यक्ति की रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता पर हमला करते हैं, जिससे शरीर सामान्य बीमारियों से भी लड़ने में सक्षम नहीं हो पाता है।
How is HIV and AIDS caused? HIV is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. Virus can be affect the helper T cells of your immune system, leaving it weakened. The virus can be spread person to person through certain body fluids like blood, vaginal fluid, semen fluid, or the breast milk. HIV is passed through the person with these fluids is contact with mucous membrane, damaged cells, or the injection into the blood stream. The main ways the virus enters the blood streams are by injecting the blood stream with using needles or injection equipment which has been used by the other peoples. It can be also spread by contact with the infected blood, and it can also be spread from mother to child during birth, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. It cannot be spread by spitting, kissing, or using towels, bath, and contact with the animals and insects like mosquitoes.
caused by degradation of the immune system. As soon as HIV enters the body, it begins to destroy the T cells. The symptoms of HIV or AIDS appears in 3 stages. The last stage of HIV takes the phase of AIDS. Some of the common symptoms of AIDS are diarrhea that lasts for more than a week, headache, nausea feeling, white patches in the tongue, red, brown, purple patches on the skin or under the skin, physical disorder, depression. As we have often heard, one of the common phrase that prevention is better than cure. Now let's talk about the ways to prevent the risk of HIV. Use latex condom whenever you have any type of sexual intercourse. Never use used injections. HIV and AIDS, the most commonly way of getting infection is body fluids like semen, blood and vaginal fluid.
एड्स के लक्षण: तेज बुखार आना, खांसी आना, उल्टी आना, गला सूखना, थकावट महसूस करना, मांसपेशियों में ऐंठन, जॉइंट्स में दर्द और सूजन का महसूस करना इसके प्रमुख लक्षण हैं। ऐसी स्थिति पर रक्त की जांच करानी चाहिए ताकि संक्रमण का पता लग सके। अब बात करते हैं एड्स के उपाय। इनसे कैसे बचा जा सकता है। HIV पॉजिटिव होने पर शरीर में रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता धीरे धीरे कम होने लगती है और अन्य तरह की बीमारियां उत्पन्न होने लगती हैं और वायरसेस का अटैक बढ़ने लगता है। इसके उपाय कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। पहला, अपने जीवन साथी के अलावा किसी अन्य के साथ शारीरिक संबंध ना बनाएं। दूसरा, शारीरिक संबंध के समय निरोध का प्रयोग करें। तीसरा, मादक औषधियों के आदि व्यक्ति के द्वारा प्रयोग में ली गई सिरिंज का उपयोग कदापि ना करें। चौथा, अत्यंत रक्त की आवश्यकता होने पर अनजान व्यक्ति से रक्त ना लें तथा HIV की जांच किए हुए रक्त को ही ग्रहण करें।
It has been always seen that AIDS and HIV virus and the knowledge about this virus was very low among the people, and this has caused a stigma which leads the people who is affected by this virus to live away from the society. Now there are various types of myths which were related with this virus and which are needed to be clarified. The first myth that is related with this virus is it can be communicable, or it can affect the another person when he or she will come in contact with the affected person. So the answer is this disease is not at all communicable in nature, and it cannot pass through one person to another by touching the hands or shaking the hands or kissing the person or hugging the person or any type of body fluid except the vaginal or the penile fluid or the blood, or after using the used syringe or the needles which is used by the affected person already. During earlier times, when this disease was endemic in nature, the drugs were not very much available to everyone who is affected with this disease. Nowadays, the drugs are easily available and the vaccines are also being provided to the peoples. Before getting this virus, the person shows the asymptomatic conditions, and the asymptomatic conditions can be known after 18 to 20 years of time period, and hence a person can live a productive life by the use of these drugs.